Dear students, good morning. Today we are discussing the next part of the Mendel's inheritance law or law of inheritance. Previously we have discussed about the monohybrid cross. Today we will discuss about the dihybrid cross. In this, Mendel explained the law of independent assortment. That was the second law of Gregor John Mendel, and through this law, he tried to explain that if we choose the two character for our study at same time, there will be no effect of one character on the expression of the other character. It means both characters or their traits independently assort without affecting the expression of each other. This is called the law of independent assortment. Now in this we can take the two character, one is plant height and another is seed shape. These are the two character, and the first character, that is plant height, Mendel chose the two traits, tall versus dwarf. We have the two different varieties. One is having tall plant, another is having dwarf plant. For second character, that is seed shape, he choose the round seeds and wrinkled seeds. One is having tall plant and round seeds, another is having dwarf plant and wrinkled seeds. When Mendel tried to pollination between these two varieties, he chose the pure homozygous plant for their experiments. Both varieties are homozygous. It means they are having the same trait or character expression in past many generations. The phenotypic expression, we can say that we can see easily morphologically or through naked eyes, that is tall, round. This is the phenotypic expression, and their genotypic expression will be capital T for tall, and capital R for round. The second opponent variety having dwarf and wrinkled phenotypic expression, and their genotypic expression small t for dwarf and small r for wrinkled seed shape, jhurridar, and their gametes will be formed of only one type because they are homozygous in condition. That's why only one type of gametes are formed, capital T, capital R, capital T, capital R, and in their opponent variety or the opposite variety, small t, small r, small t, small r. These are the gametes of this P1, parents 1 generation. When they will cross, pollination will occur. The gametes can be intermingled with capital TR or any of the gametes, and after fertilization they will form the only one type of plants. All are tall and having round seed in F1 generation. The plant height will be tall and all seeds will be round shaped in F1 generation, offsprings of F1 generation. Capital T, capital R, capital T, capital R. These we can say that they may be act as a male, and small t, small r we can choose as a female. When they will try to fuse, the capital T, small t, capital R, capital T, small t, capital R, small r. In the same way, capital T can mix with this small t and capital R, small r, and this capital T with the small t and capital R with small r. That's why capital T or the tall is fully dominating over the expression of dwarf, and round fully dominating over the expression of dwarf. That's why in F1 generation all plants will be tall in height and having round shaped seed. When they will act as a parents, so we can choose these plants and can create the self fertilization in between these two. So the tall and round, and their genotype is capital T small t, capital R small r, capital T small t, capital R small r. These are the progeny of F1 generation, now act as a parents too. They are now not in homozygous condition, they are in heterozygous condition, and they will form four types of gametes. In F2 generation, for F2 generation, two, if the parents are heterozygous in condition, they will form four types of gametes if they are in dihybrid cross. The four gametes, capital T, capital R, small t, capital T, small t, capital R, small t, small r. In the same way, the gametes will be formed by this parent. One parent will act as a male, another parent will act as a female. So we can make a checkerboard through which we can easily draw the combinations of their possible combinations, and we can say that this gametes can fuse capital T, capital R, capital R. So capital T can combine tall, capital R, this is capital R, and in this way, this gametes can fuse with this, and the possible combination is this. And the second gametes have the same possibilities to combine with these four. This capital small t, capital R can the same possibility, and this last one, small t, small r, can have the same chance to combine with this. And this checkerboard will show the all 16 combinations, and in this combination we can see that this capital T is tall, and small r, capital R is round. In this will again tall, and this will round, capital R, small r. In this, capital T, small t is tall, and capital R will be round. In this, if any one gene is present in dominant condition and other gene is dominant or recessive, it means the dominant gene will independently assert or it show its effect dominantly. If tall and dwarf is present together, then the expression will be tall. If tall and tall will present, then the expression will be tall. And if both genes are recessive in condition, as in this case, small t, then the plant height will be dwarf. In the same way, when we take the seed shape, if the round is present with round, the expression will be round. If round is present with wrinkle, the expression again will be round, while the wrinkle will present together with wrinkle, then the expression will be wrinkled. If wrinkle or the recessive gene present in homozygous condition, then it can only express. So this checkerboard represents the 16 combination, and the ratio of the two traits will be 9:3:3:1. In this, the total tall, if we want to see the phenotypic expression, the tall plant we will get 12, dwarf we will be get 4. It means the ratio 3:1 is the same. And the total round seed will be 12, wrinkled seed will be 4. When we count the wrinkled seed, this is wrinkled, this is wrinkled, this is wrinkled, and this is wrinkled. Only 4 seeds we get, 4 wrinkled, and 12 is round shaped. It means the ratio is same, 3:1, as we can get in monohybrid cross. And this is the dwarf, and dwarf. Only 4 plant is dwarf, and 12 remaining 12 is tall. So the ratio is same, 3:1, as we got in the monohybrid cross. So there is no effect when we discuss about the two character at one time in dihybrid cross, the result will be the same as we found in the monohybrid cross. So this law is also called the law of independent assortment. No other character will affect the expression of the previous one, or previous one will any effect does not any effect on the second one. So if we study the two character at one time, plant height and seed shape, both characters express independently and their ratio is the same as we can get in monohybrid cross. So this law of independent assortment you can see. Okay, thank you.